Hello and welcome to the first ever video of this channel. My name is Aramis or Aramis and my formal name is Amir Hossein Nasri Anfar. In case you are wondering where I'm from, I can give you some clues. I'm from a country that is known for its cats, and on the map itself is also looking like a cat. And as you can see, there are some fluffy Persian cat pictures here, so there goes your clue. For talking about what I'm into road trips. I'm into getting to know other cultures, other costumes, other languages, and enjoying some pool or snooker, poker, and I'm very deep into self-development talks and having the deep conversation with the right people. But professionally speaking, I'm a data engineer. And as all engineers are into coffee and a cat, we can consider data engineering to be the same, but with the additive of being a data plumber. Let's talk about past and what I've been doing since I was in college. At first, I was doing web design, so I got my hands dirty working with PHP, WordPress, and things like that. I was into computer networks. I was also teaching ICDL, which is basically the basic concepts of computer, such as working with the operating systems and all that. But after finishing my bachelor's degree in software engineering from 2017 to 2018 for 1 year, I joined Huawei company. And at the time, Huawei was working on a super project in telecommunication, and I had the chance to start working with other nationalities as the company was kind of like a international company at that point. And I got the chance to work with people from China, India, Egypt, and many other countries. And I got the familiarity with working in Chinese work culture. As you know, they are all about being hardworking, being frank, and they are great team workers. Also, I got the chance to work with the tools and technologies that later revolutionized my career, such as Oracle Database, Hadoop, Linux distros, and doing some ETL work, which means extract, transform, and load the data. But since 2018 to 2023, my growth in data engineering began, as this period marked a turning point as I dove deeper into data engineering and the evolving world of big data. Basically, I was working for a local company managing a nearly petabyte of data with over 46 million subscribers. So you can imagine working on hundreds of tables and each table having its own different role in the business and having its unique challenges of bringing its data and getting insights from. My role over time changed from data engineer to senior data engineer, and along the way, I tackled complex ETL challenges, shared my knowledge with colleagues. I also got the chance to work with experts at that time to learn a lot from them, and also conducted extensive R&D on various open source technologies. Because at that time, we were basically having some challenges with the product that we got the chance to work with, and the company basically decided to spend some resources on R&D to come up with new ways of having the pipeline, and basically that was what we've been doing for 1 or 2 years. So as you can expect, I got the chance to work with many technologies at that point. I got the chance to work with Hadoop version 1 and 2. I was doing Java development, and quickly I turned from Java to Python. I was working with Apache Jupyter for our ad hoc queries. I was using Apache Airflow for ETL workflow management. I was using many distros of Linux like Red Hat, CentOS, and Ubuntu. Apache Zookeeper was a given as we were using Hadoop as an infrastructure. There was Grafana for our monitoring. There was NiFi to get our data from our endpoints. There was Apache Kafka for our real-time kind of data that we were getting. There was Apache Spark, PostgreSQL, Apache Superset for showing your insights, Tableau, Oracle, and MySQL. But later on, since I was having an eye on the latest methodologies on software engineering, I also was interested to pursue a master's degree in software engineering. My focus at that time was on distributed systems to help me with my job also. So I pursued a master's degree at that point, and I got the chance to finish that successfully. Then I established an LLC company, and I got my first company, which I will later call it a Canadian company. And these are some details of what I've been doing for the company, or as to say, for the customer that I was working with, and I'm still working with this customer as we speak. Then I thought more is better, so yet another master's degree as I'm pursuing, and the topic of this master's degree is cloud-driven artificial intelligence. But enough talking about me, let's talk about this channel and what the content of this channel is going to be. This channel is all about you and me. What I mean by that is that basically we are going to learn together. We're going to review basic topics of data engineering. We're going to have daily or weekly log videos about our progress. Maybe we tackle some new technologies or some things like cloud, like AWS, or another technology that me personally maybe I've been working or it is also brand new to me. So I'm going to log all of that and put it on YouTube so you can also grasp the knowledge. But we are going to also have update videos on technologies or methodologies that may come up. Maybe we also get into AI or data science. Who knows? So all in all, this channel is going to be benefiting for me and also you. So I would be more than happy if only one of you guys enjoy these videos, and these videos be a helping hand for you to learn something new. And even if it's going to benefit one of you guys, I'm more than happy to have the channel running. But before we wrap this video up, I wanted to have a little discussion with you, and that is, me personally, I've been working as a data engineer for 8 years, but I never called myself a master or someone who figured it out and like a knowing all kind of personality. There are also things that are new to me, same as many concepts that can be new to you. So we can assume at the beginning that no one is perfect, especially in data or IT, or basically in anything. And my advice is just try something new every day and give yourself a pat on the back while you're doing that. Because there's always nobility in doing something new and learning and progressing in life. So that's it for this video. Please support the channel by subscribing and liking the contents you see, and also comment your ideas. Maybe you have something in mind to share with me, or maybe you have some ideas for the channel, and please share it with your friends. Till the next video, have a great rest of your week. Bye.